he broke his back and both hips, and when he came back from surgery, been being in the hospital for about a month, he couldn't walk for about 3 months. He was literally incapacitated. This product helped him to move in a way that I've never seen. There have been times where I haven't picked up the product maybe for a week at a time, and Andy can barely walk. It's extraordinary.
All animals certainly can be on hip health. Again, it is not a drug. It can be used as a vitamin supplement and certainly a preventative for dogs that are predisposed to having degenerative joint processes or arthritis, such as large breed dogs. And then more specifically for dogs that are showing signs of arthritis or hip problems that are either diagnosed radiographically or suspected, those dogs can benefit substantially from the hip health product.
I use it for all my dogs. I have 3 now. 2 German Shepherds and a yellow lab. And I use it every single day in their dinner.
Hip health works anywhere in the body. It's a tropic product, which means it goes to where it's needed first. If a dog has a bad forepaw, it'll start working there first. If the dog has a hip problem, it'll start working there first.
A lot of our customers with big dogs like German Shepherds and Dobermans, Rottweilers, they'll give their dogs hip health from an early age on to prevent problems that come later in life.
It's about a little over a year when I noticed that his gait wasn't quite what it should be, and I thought something was amiss with his hips. I contacted the hip health people and put him on the hip health and saw a dramatic improvement immediately on his movement. And then when he was diagnosed in OFA at 2 years, then I knew for certain that he was dysplastic, and I've kept him on hip health, and he'll be on that until the day he passes.
Hip health is an all-natural alternative to what's out there. For hip dysplasia and arthritis, there's surgery, there's some drugs that you can take, and then there's hip health. I would tell anybody to try hip health first, because it's a way to try something that's natural. The success rate is phenomenal. It's more successful than the drugs, we believe, and also than the surgery out there. It's a lot less expensive. It's an all-natural alternative. It's the best thing to try first.
We get testimonials all the time, letters, cards, telephone calls, and people will just tell us unbelievable stories that their dog couldn't climb up the stairs. A couple of weeks later, he's up running up and down the stairs. Basically, what means a lot to us is people call us and say, "Thank you for giving me my dog back."
We give hip health to Andy twice a day. I sprinkle it over his food and add hot water to it, and it's a fun ritual in the morning and the evening when Andy gets his magic powder.
I recommend hip health to anyone who has a dog, any dog at all. It's just wonderful.
We have been using hip health in our practice here for the last 5 consecutive years with remarkable results.
I know that that's made a big difference in his conditioning and his ability to be comfortable and be happy and be pain-free.
It's a family business. Love being in business with my brother, and it's a lot of fun.